to TestingToys.com.
And today we are going to be
checking out the DIY milkshake gift set, Christmas edition from Kmart. All you need for this is 2 cups of cold milk and whipped cream, and everything else is inside this jar.
all the decorations.
Jayden and I got the vanilla flavor, and Zane
What?
Got the chocolate.
I got the chocolate flavor.
got the chocolate flavor.
There's 3 types of chocolates that we have. Kalos.
I've got Smarties.
I've got Maltesers.
And I got Kit Kat.
Take a break. Take a Kit Kat.
Alright.
Let's get this open. I guess it starts by taking off that tape on the top.
Oh.
It does
What? There's
specify
like slime on my thing.
that you have to wash the reusable straw and the jar before you can drink out of it. So I guess we could do that now.
There's slime on me. This slime.
Yes.
It's glue.
Alrighty then, we gotta wash the straw. Hey!
There's something.
Big brothers, am I right? Hey, yo!
Spell it out.
You wash the inside?
Oh, yeah!
It's wet.
Alrighty, let's see
Spell it
what
out.
we have
Spell it out.
in one of these packs.
Expelliarmus.
We've got. Oh, geez. Pack of marshmallows.
I guess we all have that one, a pack of marshmallows.
Shape.
We got sprinkles.
Saparanko. Wait, I need to just disconnect it.
Big silver packet must be the milkshake mix.
And then we have our obvious secret ingredient.
In a blender, combine cold milk and vanilla milkshake mix, and then blend until smooth. Blender.
Whoa.
First things first, this poo is going first.
You could fit a whole lake in that.
I can fit the whole world in there. Nothing wrong smell like it in there.
Chocolate makes everything better.
Alright, so.
Don't forget to wash the jar.
I agree.
Silly!
Alrighty. You guys want to do paper, scissors, rock? So you guys first?
Yes. Paper, scissors, rock.
No! Alright.
Paper, scissors, rock. Paper, scissors, rock. No!
Oh no! Now I have to go first.
You want to grab your pack, just in case it might be different?
Is mine? Yes, this is mine.
Alrighty.
What does this say?
Okay, you will need 2 cups of cold milk. Let's grab
2 cups.
2 cups
Oh, great. Hold on, there's some water in here.
of
Don't
cold
be fussy
milk.
there.
I'm pretty excited. I have high expectations.
Holy yeah, that's a lot of milk.
Oh, oh my god. You went just above 2 cups.
It does not.
No?
Yes?
It does not
You need
matter.
to get your eyes checked.
Bro. You.
And a blend. Alright, I guess you put this in the blender.
Then, this is what I'm going to do. Expect the baton.
Don't spill.
Don't
Don't
spill.
Don't spill. Gotta get the last drops.
Jeez. Alright, and then
Okay,
your
ready?
chocolate flavored mix. Ooh.
Oh, that looks.
Oh my god.
Oh, that smells like a warm,
Is it
hot,
cocoa?
nice chocolate.
It might be cocoa.
Uh-oh.
Friend.
Alright, here goes nothing. Alrighty, I think that might be enough. Let's take a lookity look. You want to prepare us your jar, Zane? Have you washed it?
Yes.
Okie dokie.
I have.
whipped cream.
Oh wow, okay.
Alrighty.
Oh, that looks like a dumb.
No!
Stop!
There we go.
Oh my.
But that's the,
Alright.
Yes,
that's
sir.
the mountain of Babibas.
That's how I do it.
That's the statue.
Woo!
That's the statue of Babibas.
Okay. Mini marshmallows is next.
Ooh.
Nice.
Beautiful.
Okay.
Yum.
Oh, jeez.
Just gotta, you
You
know.
got one under your toe.
Just forget about that one.
Alrighty. Next
That one.
is your rainbow sprinkles.
Sprinkle.
Sorry, what'd you say?
Make sure this works.
I'm sorry, Mom and Dad.
Jayden!
That's good. No, marshmallow.
Your whole thing.
Put that back on there, right there.
Alright, and last, your wafers.
How's that gonna fit?
Just stick it in.
I bet. Should I break it in half?
Feel.
Yeah.
Break it in half. Oh, take a break. Take a Kit Kat. Yo, that looks like a goofy.
Oh, that looks actually kind of.
That-
I'll find a straw out of all of this.
That looks
Hold
like
on,
a
does it go like that?
Yeah. That looks like a goofy milkshake.
Bada bing, bada boom.
So that is our very clean milkshake.
Jeez.
Should I take a sip?
That's
No.
good. That's good.
No!
Stage.
No.
But you sticky.
No! My Kit Kat! My Kit Kat!
Oh, you got it all over the scissors.
What do you mean? So the milkshake just ate my Kit Kat. No! It just ate my Kit Kat!
It's all done.
Yo, ate my Kit Kat.
And also, Zane, one of the marshmallows fell behind it.
No!
You should probably eat the marshmallow before it like.
It just ate
thins.
my Kit Kat.
Chocolatey.
Whoa! Can a man not eat his
Anyway.
Mr. Smoothie?
Ah, that's so hard.
Need help?
Try it with your thumb.
Okay.
Wait, hold it like this. Your thumb around.
Oh, like that.
Keep going.
I don't know before like Zane's.
You wanna? Okay. Alrighty. Next, you wanna grab your mini marshmallows.
Yo, chill.
Yeah.
Wait, did you want to use the scissors?
Marshmallow.
No, you're good.
And I'll rinse these.
Precise.
Yes! Missed one. You missed it. Oh, you failed.
Next, you wanna grab your sprinkles.
Round 2.
Great.
Nice.
Yeah! That is how we do it.
Alrighty, what's next?
Maltesers.
Seriously.
Right there. Right there. One right there.
you made 4 and alright, that's fine. Alright, how does it taste? This is the vanilla one.
The vanilla one.
Let's see if my cooking is cooked to perfection. It's okay.
Alrighty. Move that out of the way. Now it's my turn.
Breaking news. Jayden's about to make a statement.
My milkshake's trash. I thought my cooking would come to perfection, but it's definitely not.
Heard it here first. Zane news. All on the realest things ever.
Alrighty. Alright, next we got the marshmallows.
You put the whipped
No,
cream first,
whipped
little
cream.
boy. What are you doing?
You won't. Alrighty, what's next?
Just kidding. I didn't even slap him.
You know, this reminds me of one of our previous videos.
The rock, paper, scissors, slap challenge. Ah. You know, I wasn't going to. He strikes first, not me. This means prank what now?
Alrighty.
Slap me with a donut real hot. I'll slap you with some whipped cream all over your voice.
All of my voice?
Try it.
Good enough. Alrighty.
Thank you for the smokies.
You know what? I might as well just put a little bit now.
This was very messy.
But not messier than the tortilla slap challenge.
Cass, do you like it?
That's alright.
Rate it 1 to 10.
Not as sweet as I would have thought it would be.
1 to 10.
I'll probably give it about 5.
Then, will you rate yours?
Tastes a little bit off.
And it just tastes like milk.
I don't know what I'm tasting.
It's like off
Wait,
budget.
I'm getting a taste. It tastes like dog food.
So, what?
Kind of like, no, like the subtlest hint. Like the subtlest hint. Like,
I don't even know what dog food tastes like anyways.
past experiences.
Hey! Me it's like a 1.
Well, actually, I like it. It's like,
So you like dog food?
I'm not sure. I probably wouldn't have this again.
no. I'd rather like a nice smoothie.
I'd rather tank than this.
I'd rather a nice hot lemon.
I'd rather normal
That's
water than
disgusting.
this.
Alrighty. Thank you for watching this video from TestingToys.com. If you liked it, please like and subscribe. And we'll see you on the next one.
Bye.
Bye. Now we gotta clean all this up, Jayden. Oh.
That was all your fault.
Oh, my fault?